Hi everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a dynamic XPath for Selenium WebDriver. So I'll be taking example website. So I'll be taking QuickBus, and using this website, we'll be creating XPaths. So right click on any page and click on inspect. You can also click F12 to open this developer tool. Now select the elements. In this one, let's find out the XPath for QuickBus. So let's see exactly what element is present there. So here there's an option to select an element. We'll click on this and we'll click on QuickBus. So here, so it is showing as image, but yeah. So how to find this element, how to uniquely get this element using the XPath. You can also do either way by right clicking on this element and copy the XPath, but this may get changed because this is totally dependent on previous web element. Suppose I'll just copy it and show you how this looks like. You click here as Ctrl F and see it is found based on star, like any tag. So it can be either a div, image. So star means any tag, and ID. So ID is here is not written because it is taking from internally. cd main, yeah, since here it is taking internally and creating an ID, since it is not written over here, so it may change. Similarly, let's see the full XPath. So this is totally dependent on previous tags. See, starting from HTML, body, header, div, navigation, A1 and image. So it is coming from top to bottom, starting from HTML. So let's create our own XPaths. So we'll start with / and I'll write image, and using what attribute you want to search this tag. So you have to find the unique attribute present. So let's take title as an attribute and its value as QuickBus logo. So let's copy the value, and we are taking attribute as title. So you'll write at title equal to, so I'm giving the value C. So image is my img is my tag, so I'm giving the tag name. So at title, giving the title value as QuickBus logo. So see, 1 of 1. If it was not matching, like if there are 2 or more elements present using this XPath, then you have to do some modification in XPath. So we'll see that example as well. Yeah, here I think I found a better example. Yeah, this looks fine. See, these 3 web elements contains the same class name. So this is the class name. You can also search the a web element using the class name. So instead of ID is the uniquely available. So it's always good practice to, if the ID is available, then you go with the ID. So let's first go with the ID only. I'll copy the ID and change the XPath div, and I'll write here title. Instead of title, I'll write ID, and instead of QuickBus logo, I'll paste the ID value. See, so this is the unique element found for the news. Suppose now if I'm giving the class name, instead of id. So I'll write here as class and I'll copy the class, paste it over here. Now if we see that there are 6 matching elements present for this class name. So what are all those? First is the news, second is the series, teams, videos, ranking and more. So suppose this id was not present, how would you get the unique element? We use the indexing. So I'll write it as 1. So I have found the news web element using the indexing of 1. Now if at all you need ranking, so ranking is at which place it is present. News, starting from news 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll write as 5. Now we have found the XPath for ranking. Yeah. Now let's come to the tables. Tables are really interesting. So I'll go with the ranking page. Yeah. So here I'll select the whole table element. So you need to move the cursor in such a way that it selects the whole table. So see, once we select this one and we have found that it is coming under list group, we open this div tag and now again it is coming under table row. Now we'll open this table row. Now it is coming under table responsive. Now it is coming under table. Now it is coming under table body. Inside table body we have each rows. So now the unique element to start with is the table. Now you can also come from top to bottom, but I would suggest you start from here only, using the table as tag and class name as table condensed. So let's try whether this is a unique element or not. I'll copy the class name, I'll remove this one, I'll write table, tag name at class equal to, and paste the class. Since there was an extra space, that's why it was not taking without space. See over here, there's extra space, so make sure you give those spaces. Now see, there are 3 table elements present. What are those 3? 2, 3. For T20 batsman, for ODI batsman, and for test batsman. But what we need for the test batsman. So using this, as you can see, this is a unique element. So based on this, we can generate XPath to find this as uniquely available. How to do that? First we'll start with the XPath of this one. So if you want to find any text available in the page, you select the text. Now it is available in div tag. Div, so we write as contains, open bracket, text, comma. So this is the text I am searching. I found that here is the text and it is uniquely available. Now using this XPath, we can get the XPath for our table element, because it was not uniquely available. It was showing 3 elements. Now using this, we will be finding this table element. So where exactly it is present? So if you go to previous and jump back to forward way, then you can find the tag. Otherwise you can move the following next tag, and under div you can move to the table. So let's see what are the options available. In order to move one step back or one step forward, we'll be using preceding or following options. So I'll select following. Sorry, this is wrong syntax. You double slash and you following div. Now when you write following div, so immediate next element along, what are the immediate next div elements present? So there are 21 div elements present just after this div. Now what we need only the table rows ones. We don't want other, because I want to search only this one. So let's see, div at class equal to table row. Now see, now we have 3 elements, because there are 3 web elements present for this table row. So I think this is not the correct way. So let's check it out. Now we'll be using indexing. So I'll use 1. Now I have found the first tag element 1. Now we'll go with the table. Now we have come to the uniquely table element. Similarly, using this same XPath, you can find the element for ODI batsman, T20 batsman. What you just need to do, copy this name, where it is here, copy the T20 name, paste it over here. Now you'll be getting table for T20 batsman. See, now we are getting the table for T20 batsman. This is how you find the element. So you will not be writing again this XPath, because we have already, because this tag, if the tag elements are arranged in a proper way, then you can get it just changing the some of the values, that's all. Now let's find it out, the rating for Steve Smith. How to do that? I'll use the T20 because we have generated the T20 XPath only. So let's take it as Lokesh Rahul or Babar Azam. Let's take it as Babar Azam. You click on select element. I'll select the whole row first, because using the row only I'll be able to get the details. You select anything and go back. So here I've selected the whole row, and in each row we have TD elements. So these are the first TD element contains the value 1, the second contains the name of the cricketer. Similarly, the third one contains the Pakistan, and the fourth one contains the 879. Now we need to get the rating using the name of the batsman. How to do that? So we'll go to the TD element for batsman, and here we'll search a tag. Yeah, this is the correct tag we have found. I'll copy the Babar Azam name, I'll generate a tag, and I'll say contains text Babar Azam. So currently there are at three places this Babar Azam is present, maybe in ODI or test as well. So I want the score for T20. Now how to get the T20 score? So we'll again start from the batsman ranking T20. I'll copy this, Control X, and I'll revert to the previous XPaths which we have generated. Now using this XPath, I'll be getting the rating for Babar Azam, because we already have the XPath for table. Now inside table we'll be getting, right? Now inside table I'm just pasting my XPath which I have generated for Babar Azam. See, I have just pasted the last XPath for Babar Azam. Now because it will be searching inside my table, because earlier it was searching in whole page, now it is searching inside the table. Now we have found Babar Azam. Now we want to find the rating of him, so we'll again use following double colon and TD. Now which TD? There are 82 TDs are present. Now I'll write as a 2 because I want the second TD. If you need the team name, then you can write T1, TD1. If you need the rating, you write TD2. If I want the team name, now you have got the team name. Now using this XPath, you can find any player's rating in T20 batsman. Now let's go for Lokesh Rahul. I'll just change the name over here, Lokesh Rahul. Lokesh Rahul. See, we have found the team name India for Lokesh Rahul, because you don't have to again change the XPath, you'll be getting automatically. Suppose if Lokesh Rahul is present in ODI, let's find it out. I don't think so Lokesh Rahul is present in ODI. Let's see test. Okay, if I'm writing wrong, so Lokesh Rahul is not present in text. Okay, let's see Virat Kohli, because Virat Kohli is present in almost all the formats. Virat Kohli. Now see, now I'll be taking as rating only. Now I found the Virat Kohli's rating in test as 886. Now let's see his rating in ODI. I'll just change here ODI. Now I found the Virat Kohli's rating in ODI format, 869. So let's see for T20. So he's having that 10th rank and 673 rating. So, yeah, 673. So this I have found using the unique web elements. So this is how you generate XPaths using following parameter. So in the next videos, I'll be showing the other parameters like preceding are present, and ancestor is present, descendant is present. So there are various options available for generating XPath. Yeah, thank you all.